Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my Croc collection. I absolutely love Crocs. I want to say they're one of my favorite dress down shoes. Between Crocs and Uggs, like I love both of them. I feel like with Crocs though, they're probably just my number one favorite just because I have not ran across a pair of Crocs that are uncomfortable. Like Crocs are very comfortable. They come in different colors, different designs. They're always coming out with new Crocs, so I absolutely love them. So I'm just going to be showing y'all my collection at this time. I don't feel like I have a lot, but I have a variety of different ones, so I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you're new here, my name is Kera Nichelle. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. The first pair of Crocs that I'm going to be showing y'all, first of all, I'm going to start with the classic clogs. I feel like if you have Crocs, you have to have, like, everybody has the classic clogs. I feel like that's what they're known for. So yeah, my first pair that I bought myself, I think, were these, and these are the classic clogs. They are in black. Y'all, I used to be one of those people where everything had to be black. Like, I grew up, my mom taught us that black goes with anything and goes with everything. So I literally used to just always buy black shoes, black purses, black clothes, like everything had to be black. So this was my very first pair that I bought myself. I have a small foot. I'm usually a women 5, but these are a junior 4, and that's what I love about having a small foot, y'all. I can fit the Crocs kids, and I'm not really into giblets. It has the cute K on here. These used to be decked out with like giblets, and I took them off because I just like mine to be plain. Maybe I'm weird for that, but yeah, I like mine to be plain. So the next classic clog that I'm going to be showing y'all is pink. So I have these in pink. First of all, Nicki Minaj had these. I think the exact color. So I was like, I want the pink ones. I think she uploaded a picture on IG, and I was like, I want some pink Crocs. So I was like, I'm looking for Nicki Minaj pink. Like, everybody knows what Nicki Minaj pink is. I was like, I want Nicki Minaj pink Crocs. So these I actually found, I think I just like Googled pink Crocs. I seen locally that our Dick's had the pink ones in the color I wanted, so I went and picked them up. These are in a juniors 4, so these are in kids. I really love these. I actually wear these almost every day. These have became the shoes that I like to walk my dog in just because I can wipe them clean. And yeah, pink has been my color. So the last Crocs that I'm gonna show y'all that are the classic are the cheetah print ones. So first of all, when I seen these, I was absolutely in love with these. I know I bought these in Atlanta, but I can't remember if I got these from, like, I want to say it was like Nordstrom. I love that with these, you can pair this with anything, any solid color outfit. I like to wear sweats, and when I wear sweats, I put my Crocs on with them. But I love, like, this actual cheetah print, like any solid color. I don't care if it's royal blue, black, pink, yellow, green, red, purple. You can put these cheetah print Crocs with these. Now these are in a women's 6. I do not think the cheetah print ones come in junior sizes. I can be wrong. Another one of my gripes with Croc, I love Crocs, don't get me wrong, but sometimes all of the designs, of course, don't come in kids, but then some of the designs, the smallest size that they have is a 6. And like I said at the beginning of the video, y'all, I'm usually in a women 5, but I can fit 6. I like to get my boots and stuff sometimes in a 6. They fit comfortably. They do have room. And also, I went to the Croc outlet not too long ago when I was in Gatlinburg, and one of the, I want to say the Croc outlet is either in Pigeon Forge or Sevierville, one of the two. But one of the workers told me that the difference between like the junior 4 and like 5 and a 6 is that the junior 4 doesn't have as much room in this part versus like the women's 6 is more wide and more room in this part. The next pair of Crocs that I'm going to be showing y'all, we done graduated from the classic Croc, so now we're gonna do the classic line clog. Yeah, I actually have 2 pairs of these, and the first one I have is like in a fuchsia and with line, they're lined with the fur. So these would typically be the ones that you would wear like in the fall, in the winter, when it's the cooler months. They keep your feet warm. I love the line Crocs. I love that they came out with this because like I said, you can wear these when it gets cooler. You don't have to worry about you know, air cold air getting to your toes. I have walked my dog in my classic clogs before, and when I tell you, when it's freezing outside, if you wear those with no socks, that air comes right in on your foot. So these do keep your feet warm. I love them. I think I ordered these online, and these are in a size 6, so it does give me the room. And then the next color I have in these are yellow. So I have these in yellow. I don't know why, I'm growing to love the color yellow. My sister got these for me, and I want to say she got these out of TJ Maxx. When she first got them for me, I was like, you know, this was like my first yellow Crocs. But then more and more, y'all, like I just love the color yellow. I feel like it's one of those colors that goes with anything. So if you have a cute like solid outfit, you can put yellow on. I promise you it goes, y'all. Yellow, I'm gonna give y'all some ideas just in case you're like, what is she talking about? Like you can pair this with all black, all brown, all green, like a lot of your solid colors. I just feel like yellow is like one of those colors that goes with anything, and it's like a good like pop of color. The next pair of Crocs that I'm gonna be showing y'all, these are the Crush Clog, and this is what they look like. They have like a slight heel on them. First, I want to say y'all that I'm in love with this color. I think the appropriate color for these are bone, if I'm not mistaken, but they're just like a cream color. They're not white, they're off-white. I feel like, of course, this goes with anything, but I love this like cream neutral thing. I got these when I was in Gatlinburg. We went to the Croc outlet that is like a town over. What kind of drew me to this is in the inside of it, it says Iconic Crocs Comfort. If y'all can see that. When I tell y'all, these Crocs are very comfortable. And when I first got them, I assumed since they had a slight heel on them, I was like, I don't know how comfortable they're gonna be, you know, from like your classic clog. These are super comfortable. So I actually wore these when I was walking the strip of Gatlinburg, and my feet did not start hurting. Also, the heel on these are not too high. I love these. I do want these in a different color. So these are in a size 6. The next pair of Crocs that I'm going to be showing y'all, well, the next 2, these are the, and I don't want to say the name wrong, y'all. These are the classic Fur Shore Clogs. And I have these in a pink, like a tie-dye pink. And then I also have these in just like a regular tie-dye. First of all, I want to say these shoes are so cute. I just love them. I love how warm they are. And then also these have like, you know, the typical like band on them, but you can pull this up, and then it has a fur one as well, which I like. I actually have these 2 different ways because I just noticed on this one I have the fur band bent to the top, and then I have like the regular band that Croc has, I have it to the back. And on these I have it the opposite way where the Croc band is towards the front and the fur band is on the back. So it all depends on, honestly, like how you want to wear these. But I feel like they're so cute. They're very, very comfortable. And I want to say both of these came from like TJ Maxx. My sister actually found them for me. The inside of these, I mean, they are fuzzy, but not as fuzzy because I've wore these pink ones a lot. But yeah, The inside is fuzzy as well. I have these in a women's 6. So I only have one more pair of Crocs to show y'all. I have the classic boots. Now, the classic boots were a recent purchase of mine. I wasn't sure if I just wanted the classic or they have the crush boots that are slightly different. I actually watched a video on YouTube and someone did a comparison of the classic boot and the crush boot. And one thing I like about these boots are they are higher than the crush boot. Also, these are about $10 cheaper than the crush boot. But like I said, I just been in love with the color yellow. This is a cute rain boot, so when it's raining, y'all, you can definitely wear these. I love these. I feel like these would be cute for like summer or winter. These are year-round. Rain boots are year-round. So I didn't know, y'all, if I wanted the UGG like rain boots or if I wanted the Croc ones, and I decided to get the Croc ones. And like I said, I just love yellow. I feel like yellow goes with anything. It's one of those colors that just goes with any outfit. So I got these in a women's 6 because I wanted room with them. I think these were available in a 5, but I decided to get them in a 6 just because like I said, I wanted room in them, and then I didn't know how the top was gonna fit as far as like, you know, my ankles, my legs and stuff. So I like to always get my boots with room. So yeah, y'all, that is my Crocs collection. I don't know, y'all, I just love Crocs. I can't wait to just get more of them this year. I just feel like if you want to get me a gift and you're not sure what to get me, you can get me a pair of Crocs, you can get me some Uggs or a purse. Like, that pretty much sums it up for me. But yeah, y'all, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what pair of Crocs do you have. I feel like everybody has like the classic clog, but let me know what pair of Crocs you have, what colors do you have, what pair are you thinking about getting. If you love shoe content, make sure to check out my shoe related videos on my channel. I have a playlist. If you do not follow me on my social medias, make sure to follow me. I will have them linked down in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.